Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Sunday Watchlist. In this video, I'm going to go over two stocks that I'm currently in short positions that you can play along with me as well. The two we're going to go over is American Express and Coca Cola. On the first chart here, we have American Express on the 1 hour time frame. I am doing these contracts. I'll show you on my Robinhood account exactly the strike price that I'm currently in and also the expiration date, so you guys can follow along as well if you wish. Down here on our indicator system, the reason I'm entering into this is on Friday, we had a massive push in the market. I've never seen it push this quick and that high after such a big sell-off before we open. So what goes up comes down eventually, and it cannot be sustained forever. The other reason I'm looking at this is down here on our indicator system, just as we had in previous times when we had our middle line, which represents the overall trend. If it's a green line, that means we're in a bullish momentum and price is going to be going up. Just as you can see when we switched over, green line, price started increasing. However, when you get this and you get overextended into these top two red bands, that's when you say a market reversal is coming, just as it predicted a couple times before. So that's why I'm currently in this one right now. Let's go over to the next chart here. Let's go over to KO, which is Coca Cola. Similar chart setup, but this one, again, I've never seen. If anyone can explain to me why Coca Cola, out of any company, would rise this fast off of like no news at all. If there is news on this and I'm missing it, you guys tell me, because I don't see it. Just after market close, we had this nice little dip down here as well, a little blip. We ended up getting filled right at this position here, which I'll show you in a second. But the technical analysis on this is why this trading system down here is so powerful, just like we had in the past. Again, similar to the American Express, we're in these top two red bands and we're in a bullish market. This means we're overextended and it cannot stay here forever. What happened right afterwards? We then saw a shift downwards. So I'm looking for the exact same thing coming back down into the market. You guys, we also have these lines that we end up coding onto the system. So if you want to take profit, the first one I'm going to look at is going to be this red line here, and then the second one at this green line. And also huge resistance. I mean, this is, I don't see this going up any higher. I can always be wrong, but I definitely think we're getting a nice retracement on both of these. If you guys go over to the Robinhood account, these are the two that I'm currently in. So American Express, I always trade with a month out expiration date. So this is going to be March 25th. I have one buy in this, and my strike price is 210. Coca Cola, I do have a put on that one as well. Strike price 66, expiration date 325. All right, you guys, let's see how the market opens up on Monday. If we want to shoot over here real quick, I'll show you guys. This is the market right now. We ended up opening up just about a half an hour ago, and we had a huge sell-off already. Now, I don't know if it's going to stay like this, so these positions that we're in should be panning out pretty well tomorrow if we stay like this. But with the volatility in the market right now, it could shoot straight up. It's so hard to tell. So I'm not going to say yes or no on the overall market, but I think we're going to be in good positions if you end up taking these trades alongside with us. All right, guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe and like button, go ahead and follow along. I'll be doing trade callouts throughout the whole week and then also trade recaps as well. I want to make these videos as informative as possible. Have a great rest of your weekend.